Hello everybody, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Emilie.McKennon and we are located in Junction City, Oregon, here in between Corvallis and Eugene, right off of the Highway 99. So come see us and come see this brand new 2020 29V floor plan of the Winnebago Sunstar. This is an absolutely beautiful coach. Great family floor plan. It's got a wonderful outdoor kitchen that I'm going to show you, plus outdoor TV, and it's going to come with its own grill. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you around the outside and then we'll go look at the floor plan. First of all, I want to point out it does have side view cameras, so you can, and those are turn signal activated. You can see all the way down the side of your coach. Nice colors, nice new bright kind of darker blue, navy blue colors. Tons of storage here. This is a long pass-through storage this way, and this is your outside grill. It's a tabletop grill by Aussie Outdoor Living, and you can easily set it up and hook it up right to your RV. So there's no need to go out and find what type of RV can I hook up or not hook up. It's already provided for you. A little bit of storage here. It does go through, so you can fit some smaller items, long items. Fishing poles would be great there, hiking equipment. And then you do, of course, as you can see, have your outdoor speakers. Behind this door, door number one, is a TV. So you can watch your favorite programs, no need to miss out. Great for tailgating. And this beautiful Sunstar logo there, plus full automatic awning. Pull this up. So here we got a little outdoor kitchen with a little extra counter space, cutting board. Little drawers, of course. Oh, look at that, even a little hidden drawer. Nice deep counter space. A lot of times these outdoor kitchens have pretty small counter spaces, and this one reaches all the way back. You got an outlet, bottle opener, plus a little drawer here too. And of course your outdoor refrigerator. Okay, let's keep walking around back. This is where you would plug in your grill, by the way. So this is a LP outlet. You could just set it up right here, right next to your outdoor kitchen, and you've got it's a family entertainment, or if it's just the two of you, it's all ready to go. Winnebago logo, backup camera right there, full access ladder. This is going to be your generator. Beautiful full wall slide. So let's go inside the RV now and check out the floor plan. I love RVs with full wall slides. Let's go check it out. All right, folks, so now we are inside of the 2020 model 29V Winnebago Sunstar. I'm going to start up front. We've got a drop-down electric bunk here. This is perfect for if you got kiddos or grandkids or friends, family that come with you every now and then. Also great storage. You've got storage in the back there as well. We are on a V10 gas motor, Triton engine. You do have your automatic leveling system right here. Very convenient right there for the driver. Put your leveling jacks down, touch of one finger. Passenger has a nice little table, workstation with outlets. Let's move on back. This is a beautiful family floor plan. Pull out jackknife bed. Beautiful, nice size window on both ends. Booth right next to the best spot in the RV. You can look out at the beautiful view that you're at, whether you're at the woods, the beach, the mountains. This does go down into a bed, and I like the nice glossy finish that they put on it for this year. Beautiful new interior colors for Winnebago. TV is greatly situated in this floor plan. It is on an extension. Tons of storage, as you can see, all around. Oh, I didn't even know that. We'll have to come around here and take a look at the awesome cabinet there. That's a pull-out cabinet. I love those little hidden things that Winnebago does. Control system here, including your solar panel. Double sink, tons of storage, including 1, 2, 3, 4 nice big drawers. Gas stove, 3-burner stove with a nice protection. This is a convection microwave oven, and then rather than the gas oven, you get 2 extra storage drawers. Restroom is right around this way. Nice huge counter space. Big shower with a nice beautiful glass door. Lots of storage. RV three-way refrigerator. Again, tons of little pantry space with these cute little Winnebago inserts. So it just makes it really easy to organize all of your boxed items, spices and whatnots. Tons of storage space in the back here, including behind the TV. Movies, DVDs, board games, whatever you need. Outlets, extra counter space. Tons of drawers. And then tons of closet space as well. You got a hanging rack there. Nice queen size bed with dual outlet systems, USB systems on either side. So if you have, you know, medical devices that you need, you can easily hook those both up, plus drawers and storage on either end as well. If you want to test drive this particular unit or any of the other units that you've seen on our website, please give us a call here at Guaranty RV. Again, my name is Emilie.McKennon, and I'd be more than happy to show this off to you in person, test drive it with you. The number here at Guaranty is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519. Until I see you next time, enjoy the road.